Hey everyone, welcome to this breakdown of the Discover8 Cashback Card. If you're new to the world of credit cards, or simply looking for a better cashback rewards option, this video is for you. We're going to dive into everything you need to know about this card, how it works, its benefits, and a few things to watch out for. First up, let's talk about one of its best features, the rotating 5% cashback categories. Each quarter, Discover8 lets you earn 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in purchases in specific categories, like gas stations, restaurants, or online shopping. To unlock these rewards, you just need to activate them each quarter. Everything else? You'll still earn 1% cash back on all other purchases year-round. The best part? Discover matches all your cash back at the end of your first year. So, if you earn $300 in cash back, Discover will double it to $600. Now, let's address the cost. Good news, there's no annual fee. That's right, you can enjoy all these perks without having to pay for the privilege of having the card. Plus, Discover is widely accepted and offers 100% US-based customer service, which is great for any issues or questions that might pop up. But like all cards, the Discover8 Cashback isn't perfect. Its rotating categories might be a hassle for some people, and if you don't spend enough in those categories, you won't maximize your rewards. You also have to remember to activate the 5% cash back each quarter, or you'll miss out. And while there's no annual fee, the APR can be high if you carry a balance, ranging from around 16% to 27%, so be mindful of that if you tend to revolve credit. Aside from that, you also get added bonuses like no foreign transaction fees, access to your FICO score for free, and cardholder benefits such as fraud protection and free overnight card replacement. These services make it a well-rounded card for everyday use or even for travel within the US overall. If you're looking for a no-fee, high-reward card that matches your cash back in the first year, the Discover8 Cashback Card could be a smart choice. Just be sure to take advantage of those 5% categories and pay off your balance in full to avoid interest charges. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews on the best financial products out there. Thanks for watching.